Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. In today's video, we will learn about types of transporter in cell membrane, that is uniport, symport and antiport. Let's discuss one by one all of these. First is uniport. So uniport, it is unidirectional in nature. Unidirectional means there is movement of molecules only in one direction, that is from outside to inside. As you can see in this diagram also, this is outside and this is inside of cell, and there is only one type of molecules and the movement is from outside to inside. In uniport, it transfers a single species of molecules across cell membrane at a time. As you can see there is only one type of molecules, so there is movement of only one type of molecules from cell membrane from outside to inside. In uniport, uni means single, that means in single direction and in single type of molecules are involved. And in uniport, it uses facilitated diffusion, that means movement of molecule is from high concentration to low concentration with the help of special transport protein, and no ATP is used. This is all about uniport. And second one is symport. Sim means same side. As you can see in this diagram also, two type of molecules are involved and their movement is from outside to inside, and these arrows are shows that same side, that means same direction. So symport transfer two type of molecules in same direction. Two type of molecule in same direction. In this case, first molecule movement is from high to low concentration and second molecule movement is from low to high concentration. So that it means it uses active transport, that means use of ATP is there. Now third one is antiport. As you can see that there is movement of two type of molecules but in opposite direction. So anti means opposite, that means movement of transfer of two molecules in opposite direction. It is bidirectional in nature, that means one molecule moves from outside to inside and other molecule move from inside to outside. And in this, movement of one molecule is from high concentration to low concentration and other molecule movement is from low concentration to high concentration. That means it also uses active transport, that means energy is used in the form of ATP. At last, both antiport and symport are co-transport in nature. That means they transfer two type of molecules across the cell membrane. In symport, direction is same and in antiport, direction is different, but both these include two type of molecules. This is all about in this video. For more videos, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you so much.